Hello, Assalamualaikum everyone. Teacher Mars here. Hi, how are you all today? I hope everyone's are fine. Okay, I am fine here. Okay, today we're gonna do a reading on a story in page 66. Can you please get ready with your Get Smart book? Turn to page 66. Okay, before we start, as usual, teacher will explain the objectives for today's lesson. Okay, by the end of this lesson, pupils will be able to understand the story and answer simple question based on the story. Okay, we're gonna answer simple question and we're also gonna fill up a few blanks in the sentences given in the story. Okay, and then we are going to identify the farm animals. Okay, and we're gonna know how to write the plural form of the name of the animals. Okay, so today we're gonna learn plural. Okay, plurals mean banyak. Okay, singular and plural. Singular means one, plurals mean banyak. Okay, alright, now let's look at your Get Smart book, page 66. Okay, I need you to read out the story silently for a few minutes. Okay, while you were reading, I'm gonna ask you, okay, can you see the picture in this slide? Okay, these are the farm animal. Okay, can you identify the animals that live in the farm? Okay, can you see here what are the animals? Okay, let me take a look. Okay, the first one is duck. Where is the duck? Okay, here is the duck. Okay, with the duckling, anak dia. Okay, the second one is the goat and cow. Do you see a goat? This is the goat and this is the cow. Can you see it? The white and the black stripes of cow. Okay, the cows have black spots on its body. Okay, there are also a horse there. Ada kuda. Chicken, we have the rooster, ayam jantan, and we have the hen, betina, ayam betina. Okay, and also the chicks. Okay, there's also a sheep live in the farm. Okay, kambing biri-biri. Goose, the grey color. Okay, goose is answer. We have donkey, keldai. The grey is like a horse but it's grey color, smaller than a horse. A cat, kucing. Dog, anjing. And a pig, oink oink. Okay, pig you need to know because this animal do live in the farm. Okay. Okay, now we're gonna listen to the story. Okay, before we listen it, we're gonna read out together. Okay, follow teacher Mar. Okay, let's look at frame 1. Greg and Anna are on Sam's farm, Uncle Sam's farm. Uncle Sam is showing the animals to the children. This is Daisy the duck and that is Henry the horse. How many horses are there on the farm, Uncle Sam? There are 1, but I have got 10 ducks and 15 cows. Do ducks eat potato? Do ducks eat tomatoes? Of course, they love them. What other animals are there on the farm? Goats and sheep. I have 20 goats and 45 sheep. I make cheese with the milk. It's delicious. Look, Greg, a mouse. Where is it going? Uncle Sam, the mice love your cheese. Shoo, shoo, go away. Okay, I hope you like this story that I read it for you. Okay, now I'm going to switch on the video. I need you to listen to the video.
Greg and Anna are on Uncle Sam's farm. Uncle Sam is showing the animals to the children.
This is Daisy the duck, and that is Henry the horse.
How many horses are there on the farm, Uncle Sam?
Just one, but I have got 10 ducks and 15 cows.
Do ducks eat tomatoes?
Of course, they love them.
What other animals are there on the farm?
Goats and sheep. I have got 20 goats and 45 sheep. I make cheese with the milk. It's delicious.
Look, Greg, a mouse. Where is it going?
Uncle Sam, the mice love your cheese.
Shoo, shoo, go away.
Okay, it looks like Uncle Sam is angry with the mice, right? Okay, I hope you understand the story. This is a very simple story. Okay, we're gonna answer a few questions about the story just to ensure your understanding. Okay, question 1. Where Greg and Anna are? Okay, they are on Uncle Sam's farm, correct? What do they doing there? Okay, what are they doing there? So Uncle Sam is showing all the animals on the farm to the children. What animals can you see on the farm? Okay, there are horse, ducks, cows, goats, and sheep. How many are the animals on the farm? Okay, it's mentioned that it's only one horse, 10 ducks, 15 cows, 20 goats, and 45 sheep. What do the mice love? The mice love the cheese, correct? Okay, now let's just recall back on the story. Okay, can you please look at page 67? Okay, it's mentioned the animals in the story. We can see that it's mentioned ducks, horse, sheep, goat, mouse, cow, and wolf. Okay, these are the 7 animals mentioned in the story. Okay, let's try and fill up the blanks to complete the sentences. Okay, this is to ensure your understanding about the story. Okay, number 1 is in your textbook, page 67. Everyone look at activity 2. Greg and Anna are on Uncle Sam's farm, correct? Uncle Sam's has got just one, okay, he just got one horse in the farm. Okay, Uncle Sam's ducks like to eat what? Tomatoes, correct, tomatoes. Okay, number 4, Uncle Sam has got 15 what, 20 what, and 45 what? Okay, it's mentioned in the story, Uncle Sam has got 15 cows, 20 goats, and 45 sheep. Okay, number 5, the what love Uncle Sam cheese? The mice love Uncle Sam cheese. Okay, as you can see here, I've colored the letters with the es, as, and the whole thing. Okay, I'm going to explain why. Okay, it's the plural form of the animal farm. Okay, I'm going to explain what does I mean with that. Okay, plural nouns. Okay, plurals nouns is the names that have one person, one one person. Okay, more than one. Okay, means lebih daripada satu, dua, tiga, empat atau sebagainya. Okay, animals, place, things or idea. Okay, you add up with s. Okay, normally if there's one, you don't have to add up. If there are two and more, you have to add up with s. Okay, like dream, flower, shoes, cows, goats. Okay, you just add up with s. Okay, like this: ducks, goats, cows. Okay, and you have to add up with es if the back of the words ends up with ch, sh, s, and x, and also o. Okay, as you can see, the end here end with o, tomato, so you add up with es. Okay, hujung akhir berakhir dengan o, you mesti tambah es. Okay, if you have y at the end of the word, like baby, b-a-b-y, you have to put out the y and you add up with ies. Jadi babies, b-a-b-i-e-s. Okay, babies. Okay, for f, the words that end with f, you have to put out the f and you have to add up with ves. Contoh like wolf, W-O-L-F, hujung ada F, you buang F, you tambah V-E-S, jadi wolf, W-O-L-V-E-S, wolves. Okay, and there are a few irregular nouns that you cannot change, or you change all the word, like mouse, you change all the word become mice. One mouse, many mice. Okay, and for sheep, you cannot change at all. Okay, and also another one is fish, you also cannot change anything, and also deer. Okay, okay, to ensure your understanding, we're gonna do this. Okay, I hope you can follow Teacher Mars online worksheet. Okay, we're gonna do this one together. Okay, okay, this is the worksheet that I find in the live worksheet. We're gonna do it together. Okay, let's try and fill up this one. Look and write. Okay, let's look at the left hand side. Okay, there's only one, so we're gonna use the words given in the box. So this is a cow, this is a duck, this is a goat, this is a horse, this is a sheep, this is a mouse, this is a wolf. Okay, so we're gonna change one singular into plural form. Okay, there, let's look at this picture. There are two cows, so we're gonna write two cows and add with s at the back there. Okay, same goes to the duck. Okay, so there are two ducks, so we write two ducks. Okay, this one also two goats, so you add up with s. Same goes to two horses, horse tambah s. Okay, for sheep, okay, as I mentioned just now, sheep you cannot change anything, so you put two sheep, no change, no add s, no add up with es, everything is the same, so two sheep. Okay, mouse pula, if they are in a plural form, you have to write 3. You change all the word mouse into mice. 3 mice. Okay, wolf, the word ends with F, so you have to change the F. You have to write down 2 wolf. You buang F, you tambah VES. Okay, let's check your answers. You click finish. Okay, check my answers. Alright, everything is correct. So you got 10 upon 10. Okay, this one is the live worksheet that I've done. Okay, so this one you don't have to do, but you have another task for you to do it. Okay, okay, let's look at the task for today. Okay, I want you to do these 2 live worksheet. So hari ni tak ada tulis-tulis, hari ni semua kerja online sahaja. Okay, the first live worksheet, okay, I will share the link. You have to find what animals and you put down the alphabet. Okay, the alphabet is next to the animal. Okay, you tengok contoh spider, spider huruf B, so you write down B here. Okay, and then the second worksheet here, you also have to spell out the word. Okay, the answer is given in the box. And number 2 here, you have to change the singular to plural. Okay, okay, is given answer here on the in the box. You can write out. Okay, example is given here. 1 sheep, 2 sheep also, because sheep you cannot change. Okay, this one you put 1 mouse, and then you have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 mice. Okay, mouse you change it to mice. Okay, fish pun tak berubah. Fish sama dengan sheep. Ducks you tambah saja S, tapi you kena kira how many are there. Okay, and then when you finish, you click finish, and then you send your mark to teacher to record. Okay, you have to send. If you don't send, no marks for you. Okay, I think that's all from me. I hope you understand. If you don't understand, you can always ask teacher Ma. Okay, do the best. Take care. Bye. Assalamualaikum.